Super senses. Objectives. After completing this chapter, the students will be able to identify super senses in animals and birds. Super senses. Feeling ability. A cat and tiger use whiskers to feel what is around it. Smelling ability. Dog mark out their own area on the road. They can make out if another dog comes in their area.
Smelling ability. The ants have two feelers that help them smell and communicate.
Smelling ability. A silkworm can find his female moth from many kilometers away by her smell. Silkworm. Hearing ability. These animals have height ability of hearing by which they can recognize any sound quickly. Deer, dog, rabbit.
Hearing ability. The snakes feel the vibrations on the ground even though they have no external ears.
Vision ability. Tigers' eyes can see 6 times better at night than a human pair of eyes. Super senses. Birds. Birds have the most advanced visual system among animals. High-altitude vision. Has this ever happened to you? You were eating in the playground. An eagle flew down and took away your food. This happened because an eagle has high-altitude vision. An eagle can see a thing a lot farther than the human eye can see.